Good morning, guys. You know what? I decided to cave in and pick up the bike. I picked up a 26-inch Huffy for 218. I came to about what 260 shipped. Should have it in a couple of days. Once it comes in, we'll throw the other motor on the V4. That's a motor kit that I picked up. I'm going to end up welding the 36-inch or 36 chain cluster onto it because it's too big. I put a sleeve in it and then I weld it to the axle. That's not going to wear out anytime soon. And then once that's done, we can find a place on the Huffy to put a plate to mount it this way or this way. But we'll use the same controller as the motor came with. I already have a lithium battery made up for it. It's that long one that'll go on the frame. And I don't know if we'll do a throttle, or maybe I might pick up another thumb throttle to go with that kit. But that's going to be fun for booting around. It'll have that large sprocket on the back. It's basically a coaster brake. I don't know if I'm going to put rim brakes on it or not. I think a coaster brake would be fine. It's a low-end e-bike, you know what I mean? Slap the battery on it and go. I'm not going to care what happens to it after that. Anyway, I figured I'd share that with you. Once it gets here, we'll do an unboxing and start with our project. Sweet. Later, guys.